Please read thoroughly before taking your impression. Brush your teeth. Clean teeth will help make a precise impression. Wash hands. Any lotion or gloves will ruin the impression material. Enclosed, you will find 2 blue trays. Try them in and choose the one that fits best. Take the blue putty and white putty out of the packs. Quickly mix together for 1 minute, trying to make the white streaks disappear. After 1 minute, roll the mixed putty up into a hot dog-like shape and place in the tray. Evenly push the material into all portions of the tray. Quickly, center the tray with the front teeth close to the rim of the plastic, but not hitting the plastic, and firmly press the tray into your teeth until you feel the tips of your teeth going through the putty and lightly touching the bottom inside of the plastic tray. Do not bite into it. Simply press the tray into your teeth, making sure your back teeth are covered as well. Hold very still for 3 minutes. Do not open and close because it will distort the impression. Take the impression out of your mouth, rinse with water, pat dry, and place in the bag. Using the prepaid envelope provided, mail back to Sentinel Mouthguards.